Hello everybody, my name is Justin Dunn. I'm the Sales Product Specialist and Trainer for Haws. Today we're going to be talking about the 9084 Cleansing Stick. The Cleansing Stick is a submersible device designed for stored water systems. It's designed to protect those systems through the use of oxidization and ionization of the water. Now what it's going to do is prevent the growth of pathogenic bacteria as well as prevent scale and corrosion inside of the tank. This will treat up to 528 gallons of water at a time. There is no minimum. As long as the stick is fully submerged in water, the chemical reaction is taking place and is protecting the water. Now, as long as the device is sealed within this bag, you have a 3-year shelf life from the date of manufacture, which is printed at the top of the device. Once it's removed from the bag, you're going to want to begin its use immediately. You have 3-year lifespan from that point. Now, maintenance is very important with this product, and I'm going to go through the steps with you. So during your annual maintenance, 1 year after submerging the device initially, you're going to want to remove the device. There is a retrieval string at the top of the device as well for easy retrieval from the tank. You're going to want to use pressurized water to remove any film or buildup on the stick. If this is difficult to do, or if there's heavy film and buildup on the stick, you're going to want to use acetic acid to help remove it, or white vinegar. Completely submerge the stick in white vinegar to help remove that. Again, use pressurized water to help remove the acetic acid as well as any leftover film or buildup. And during the process, while this is outside of the tank, if it's going to be outside of the tank for an extended period of time, be sure to completely dry it to stop the chemical reaction. Otherwise, immediately resubmerge it. Now, during this process, while it's outside of the water, you're going to want to completely empty your shower, your eye wash, or a combination unit of its water, and that's to meet your annual ANSI Z358.1 requirements for your testing. Once that's done, refill the tank, resubmerge the 9084 cleansing stick, and it will immediately begin protecting the water. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Our customer service is always available. You can always visit www.hawsco.com if you have questions. There's lots of additional information on this product's homepage. Again, this is the 9084. Thank you for joining us and have a great day.